Okay, good evening Karuba, Filipinos all over the world. We are proud to present to you another sponsor para sa ating recently concluded school supplies for our children. We would like to say thank you very much to Karuba LV Padronan. At ang kanyang piyesa ay gusto po niyang ihandog sa kanyang Mami Belia Martinez Castro, who's celebrating her birthday on the 7th of this month. And her message goes this way: Happy birthday, Superwoman! Awan kapadam iti kinaanos ken kinamanagayat mo kada kami apimilyam. May you have more candles to blow and good health, and God bless you, kunana. Thank you very much for staying in the Philippines for my kids, even if it is against your will. In sakripisyo yo tinapinta sa trabaho yo di Amerika just to be with your apuko. We thank God dahil nandyan kayo ni Daddy Erning. Enjoy your day, Mommy, and we love you so much. At ang greetings ay nanggaling po sa kanyang mga anak and sa kanilang mga apo. So once again, happy birthday po, Mommy Belia Martinez Castro. And this is your birthday song, Mommy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And your song? No Other Love.
Other love can warm my heart now that I've known the comfort of your arms. No other love hold a sweet contentment that I find with you. Every time, no other lips could want you more, for I was born to glory in your kiss, forever yours. I was blessed with love to love you till the stars burn out above you, till the moon is but a silver shade. No other love, let no other love know the wonder of your spell. I was blessed with love to love you till the stars burned out above you, till the moon is but a silver shade. No other love, let no other love know the wonder of your spell.
Ayan, thank you very much sa Karuba LV Padronan sa pag-sponsor mo ng bata. And of course, once again, happy birthday to Mami Belia Martinez Castro from the 4-Decade family at sa buong Sangkarubaan po. Thank you very much and good night everyone.